You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. Well, same technical analysis as yesterday. Bitcoin is still in sideways in this range, yes. And I was expecting actually yesterday a break in 4-hour chart around this area, but well, very nice bounce from Bitcoin around this area, around $20,800 around this area, and also we have the top of the range right now. Bitcoin is testing again this area. So the one thing is different right now here. We have the volatility finally is expanding here. Well, let's see. And we have a potential buy signal here. The problem here with this buy signal is actually very late for me. About risk management, this is not a good place for start thinking to go long here right now, because this buy signal here is in the top when Bitcoin in short term is testing the area of supply. Now let's talk about the one-day chart. One-day chart, well, looks like Bitcoin with this bounce, any close above $3,200. I mean, for example, if today you see Bitcoin closing about here, a little bit here, or maybe today or tomorrow, and you will see or leg down to $32,000, 33 maximum, but no more than that. The reason is very simple. Time is almost over for Bitcoin and this bounce. Remember, my projection this week was like this. Yes, Bitcoin is in sideways, so the timing is very important. I will say maximum, let me see, 2 days more. I will say Friday. By Friday, if you see by Friday you don't see Bitcoin bouncing here, well, be ready, because this is just gonna be a distribution pattern and you will see continuation to the downside. Yep. So same technical analysis as yesterday, nothing changed. So as you can see here, well, Bitcoin is in sideways again. So let's talk about the 4-hour, the micro time frames here. The range is very simple, actually, very obvious around this area. This area of resistance right now here, and also the area of demand around this area. And Bitcoin is just like a ping pong, right? Just in sideways. Here we have, of course, it's too late. The buy signal here, we have some bullish divergence here yesterday, very small, from this point, and you see from this point and this point, and actually OBV is looking healthy right now in 1-hour chart. Of course, if you are trading 1-hour chart, this is the area you need to sell right around here, $30,000. Now, let's talk about the higher time frames. Higher time frames, same as yesterday. Let me see, we have a new close. Let me see. Today we are gonna have a new close for today's chart. Today's chart, we have still the ADX is very strong, positive to the upside. So yeah, maybe we will see a bounce here in one-day chart, as I said before, maybe Friday maximum. But this bounce is gonna be just a sell. 3-day chart, same thing, I think. Yes, 3-day chart is very strong. ADX is very strong. And also we have some setup here. So time frames, macro times are the same. I will be bullish at least in midterm if I see a 5-day chart closing above $32,000 around here. If I see 5-day chart, I mean the next 2-3 days, if I see the close here above here, yeah, we can say maybe $36,000-$37,000 is going to be the area for the next leg up, right, for next month. But as long as Bitcoin is not closing above here, everything is the same. Yeah. So I think that's it for Bitcoin. Let me see if I am missing something. 12-hour chart. We have here a potential buy signal here. There is no confirmation right now. Looks like Bitcoin wants to break the MA21. As you can see, MA21 in 12-hour chart is acting as very good resistance right now here. Yeah. Auto rejection from this area. Well, I think we will see continuation to the downside. And as I said before, I am expecting continuation to the downside. The reason is very simple, because we are in a very healthy downtrend in all the time frames, including for our chart. Yeah, you say, oh, well, we were gonna have the golden cross, right? Yeah, very powerful golden cross. Now, usually when you see these kind of things, you will see this bounce here, and after that is a bull trap, and after that you see continuation to the downside. So be careful. Okay, so here, as I said before, yes, I was thinking maybe we would see a break. Why? Because volatility here was very low. Yeah, but no, Bitcoin is still holding the range. Also, one thing here is OBB in the 4 hours is still healthy, breaking the previous high here. But that is the bad thing at the same time. If you don't see Bitcoin the next, maybe today, breaking this high here, you will see other hidden bear divergence here, and you will see other leg down for Bitcoin, something like this, right? If you don't see it, if you don't see Bitcoin breaking this today, you will see other leg down, and potentially maybe we will see a break this time. I am looking for a significant move this time, and the reason is very simple. The volatility in general from a 4 hour chart is very low, blue color. So this is telling me, of course, Bitcoin is getting ready for a very interesting move in 4 hour chart at least. In 1 day chart, I am not expecting a massive move, not like other big move. Why? Because the volatility is expanding. Well, it's actually in the climax right now, totally red here. So if we see a bounce here, a leg down, maybe Bitcoin is gonna crash, yes, but maybe not like as strong like before. Okay, so let me continue with other the USDT dominance, because actually I am looking for USDT dominance for potential setups. Okay, yeah, it's about time. You see, USDT dominance is just consolidating here in about MA21, and also it's about to test the zero line here. So in the next 2 days, I will say Friday next week, Monday maximum, you will see this buy signal here. If this asset is not breaking the MA21 or even MA55, doesn't matter. Why? Because this is like this. Okay. So the good thing here is the USDT dominance is losing the exponential here, but not because you're losing the exponential here in OBB, that means this is gonna crash like this. Of course not. I think if we will see other bounce, we are gonna see some bear divergence here, and after that we are gonna see a very good crash or drop for this asset. And remember, weekly chart is still very bullish. I mean, of course, it's a little bit toppy here. I need to be honest here. This is setup with this shot in a star potentially is telling you maybe a reversal is coming here. Yes, but it's weekly chart, so it will take maybe 2 months to see something like this. For now, it's very good. In just few days, in just in 5 days, we're gonna see a new close. Well, and monthly is very bullish actually, very bullish here. After 2 months, I will say. Now let's talk about altcoins. Total market cap 2. Total market cap 2. Any close below 830 this month in the next 5 days. Maybe outer leg down to 500 in next month. Let me see the weekly chart. Yeah, 500 is gonna be there. I'm gonna start looking for maybe a major bounce for altcoins. So all the altcoins, maybe they are just bouncing, some of them, but in general I am expecting more pain to come. Now one thing here is let me see. No, we still have time, other month. If by July you see below 600 this total market cap 2 in July, yeah, I think July was gonna be red too. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me see for Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance finally is doing something interesting. Yes, monthly is very bullish actually, very good by monthly. Monthly very good, breaking up right now. And let me guess, weekly chart breaking. Yes, it is about to break. It's just about time. So be ready, because I said yesterday here, this is a consolidation here. When you see these kinds of tops here, it's consolidating in the resistance. Usually I said, right, like something like this, but this is consolidating here. The reason is simple. We have one strike, one bullish divergence here, and also the positive here, volatility expanding here. Yeah, this asset is getting ready for a massive move actually, I can say, the macro time frames. So the only thing I can tell you right now is altcoins, same as yesterday, altcoins, in my personal opinion, they will just keep crashing. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with altcoins. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Okay, so I want to watch Solana, because Solana is something I am looking for since a long time ago, and I am looking for this target around $20. Maybe next month, if I'm lucky enough, I will see that target. This pattern, this is looking more like a continuation to the downside. Yeah, same as Bitcoin. If by Friday we don't see Bitcoin bouncing, I mean, when I say bouncing, is like a significant bounce, you will see this potential bounce signal is going to be a sell signal actually, and you will see continuation to the downside. And also all the assets, Solana, Ethereum, all of them, they are forming the same pattern as Bitcoin, and hiding bear divergence here in OBB here, as you can see here. So sell pressure is still significant for all the market, all the altcoins. So just be careful with your trades, because I am still thinking Bitcoin, this is not the bottom. I was talking with one of my friends, even he was saying like, he was thinking here is the bottom, but honestly I respectfully disagree. This is not the bottom actually. This is, I mean, the next, if we see a bounce here, I will say this is a short, and you will see Bitcoin just trending to the downside. Yeah. Okay, so using Fibonacci levels here in weekly chart, let me show you here Fibonacci levels from the lowest point in 2020 and the top in 2022 in 2021. Let me fix this scale. Okay, now if you pay attention here, in the 618 Fibonacci level is the golden pocket. So Bitcoin is holding actually this area. You see, every time when Bitcoin is testing the golden pocket here in macro time frames, it's a bounce, and you see 1, 2, 3. The problem with this price action is the bounce you see here, because it's weekly. It's weekly Fibonacci level, so you can expect a massive bounce, right? But no, actually it's not happening. So this is a sign of weakness. So I will say my rule is, if I see a support or area of demand tested many times, for example here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times right now, you will see maybe after a couple times testing here, eventually this is gonna break. The next area I'm gonna start looking for using just Fibonacci levels, of course, is around $27,000. Any close below here, you will see push all the leg down to 18, between $20,000 and $18,000. And as I said yesterday, I am not expecting this area is gonna hold. Short term, you will see a bounce, yes, but the biggest area like I will start looking for is around $14,000. So that is, well, almost same as yesterday. I don't want to repeat the same thing always, so I will just focus in 4-hour chart, okay? Because it's the only trade we can trade right now. All the time frames are the same as yesterday, just few things are different. So, well, here, as I said before about risk management, if we apply risk management, of course, this is not the area I want to start looking for longs right now. Here, even if I have a buy signal here, no thank you. Okay, so in any case, if I see a sell signal, actually here I'm gonna start looking for shorts, not longs. Why? Because the trend is my friend, right? So of course I am not saying short right now here, of course not. Why? Because we don't have also the setup for shorts, right? So the best trade right now for me is just watching Netflix. That's it. So this is normal when you are in a choppy market. Okay, so let's talk about something else. Let's talk about the stocks. Maybe if you want, maybe we can talk about the stocks. Let me show you here the SP500. SP500 in very short term time frames. We have bullish divergence here. Is bound. We saw the bounce here, rejected by $4,000. Yes, we have a bounce. We have a bullish divergence here in OBB and also in curve. But let me see 1-day chart. 1-day chart is bad. It's still bad. It's still bad. I think the market is gonna be just being sideways. Market makers, they will wait for the monthly close. That is my expectation. Usually it's like that. When you see the market, the monthly is coming, the price is just in sideways, and market makers, they are waiting for the close, and after that you will see the big move, right? So let me see here the weekly chart here. Yeah, we don't have bullets variance here. We have nothing. Actually, it's very bad. On the monthly continuation, as I did before, any close below 4,100, you will see continuation and more pain to come here. Around 3,500 is going to be the area I will start looking for a potential bounce, macro bounce. Okay, so well, that's it. What about the chart of the, what is that? Pro shares. What is this? It's the first time. Is Shiba Inu or what? What is this? I don't know what it is. It's the first time I see this kind of things, okay? But the only thing I can tell you is a very, very, very nasty downtrend. No thank you. I don't know what is this, but it looks like it's pro share short down. Okay. Are you saying they are the shorts? Because they are the shorts, they are very low actually. I would expect this super high if they are the shorts. Actually, let me see. I don't check this chart very often, but it's good. It could be very interesting. Let me see. Shorts and longs. Okay, I didn't know. I don't use it. Sorry. Okay, let me see here. This is the shorts, and what is BTC longs? That is my concern here. You see, new all-time high for longs, at least on Bitfinex. I don't know. People, they are really thinking $30,000 is the bottom. I think so. This is not something, I don't like it. Let me see shorts. Short are pretty healthy. They are not too crazy right now. They are not. I mean, I would be worried if, for example, I see something like this, right? A new ATA. Yeah, but no. No, my friend. Why you want to see like bullish or what? This is just a downtrend. That is downtrend. Just a very healthy downtrend. Yeah, for Bitcoin, this is one of my biggest concerns. For Bitcoin, it's the first time I see something like this. Actually, for you, all of you, the same. It's the first time I see Bitcoin longs, at least on Bitfinex, with new all-time high here. So let me tell you something. I am thinking, even if we have this fair greed index, actually people are very positive with crypto, and they are buying the dip, right? Thinking this is the bottom of the market. So I think same as yesterday, I'm still thinking Bitcoin is just gonna break down. Yeah. Okay, let's continue with other coins. Let me see if I see other coins. It's because all the altcoins are doing the same as Bitcoin. I mean, for now, all the market is just following Bitcoin, and it's just in sideways. Okay, so let's continue with maybe stocks. I think they are more interesting. Maybe, who knows? Let me see for Facebook. Let me see Facebook. No, but it's not reversing. It's just in a very healthy downtrend. Okay, so Facebook, same as March, just holding this area. Actually, this is something like I was expecting. Just healthy sideways here. And let me see the monthly. The monthly for Facebook. Facebook, very bullish actually. Let me tell you something. This is bullish. Zero line testing here, crossing here, and this asset is not breaking this area. Well, I need to tell you something. I need to tell you this, right? Of course, this year, maybe in some point next year, but you will see something like this. Okay. Of course, the volatility for Facebook is very low, so it will take time. Yes, yes. In the moment when you see the DX negative here, you will see this asset bouncing for maybe 280 in the long term. Okay, let's talk about Netflix. Netflix, same thing as is holding the 180, holding the 200 moving average here. Yes, this is a monthly reversal. I need to be very, very transparent with this. This is our breakout, and the next bounce is gonna be a short. Okay, yeah. So let me continue with PayPal. Let me see PayPal. Bad. Any close below 77, 77 this month in 1 week, you will see leg down to 40 in the long term, of course. Let me see weekly chart. Bad, very bad. This is not healthy. Yeah, any close below 77 and you will see a leg down. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue with some altcoins. It's because they are doing the same thing. So it's difficult to see something different, interesting right now in cryptocurrencies, because they are doing exactly the same thing as Bitcoin. Kappa, all of them. Well, this one, for example, this is a sell. This is just the bounce here, bouncing here, M55, no thank you, and the continuation to the downside. Yeah, feel same. Looks like finally iOS is getting ready for a bounce here, maybe around $100 with 50 cents, 60 cents. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, Baba. Let me see. Baba. I was trading Baba a long time ago, in March. 76. Let me see the monthly. The same range. Amazon is very interesting. Amazon finally found something. Is doing something interesting here. Okay, Amazon is testing the zero line here in monthly. It's gonna close, of course, and it's gonna close below the MA55 here with a significant reaction here, continuation. So next month I'm expecting 1,800 here, 900, and from there maybe we will see a bounce. Okay, let me see ARC monthly. Well, this is the area for accumulation, my friend. In monthly, of course. This is the area. Zero line crossing here. Yeah, this as long as it's not breaking this area, you will see maybe 2-3 months here sideways, and after that a bounce in some point this year. I don't know when, but yeah. Let me see the weekly chart. Yeah. We have bullish divergence in progress here. The only thing is missing here, we need to see the signal here, and also the slope getting negative here. Do we see it? Yes, we will see a bounce maybe in the next 2-3 months. Now, let me see cake. Ethereum, FTM, gold. Let me see gold. This is bullish. Testing the MA55 here. Other 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you will see other bounce here. Maybe other leg up to 180 in the long term. I think Bitcoin, gold is the same. Yes. I said here this is a buy. Yeah. This is very healthy, and this is like this. H bar, bad. Next target 0.04. Yeah, I think the market, the crypto space is very bad actually right now, very bad. I cannot see something bullish now. Axe Infinite in progress. $7 is my target, so I will just wait. Atom, same target, $5 is my long-term target. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe Cardano is doing something different. No, same thing. Cardano is more easy to read. Any close below here, 0.50. The next 5 days, you will see continuation to 0.20, 0.10. I think market, we will see more pain to come. Usually the bear market is 1 year, not just couple months. So it's better you just wait. Let me see what the comments. I want to know let me see. I'm gonna check last time this one, but looks like someone has a lot of imagination here. Okay, this is not reversal. Okay, this is a potential reversal in weekly chart. Maybe yes, but you need to see the test here, holding this area, and after that EUC is holding. Yeah, continuation. Yes, maybe. You will see continuation. The monthly is, well, I need to tell you something. This is looking more like accumulation right now here. Buy signal here, ADX positive here. It's very easy. Any close about 37 and in monthly basis, you will see a massive rally monthly. I mean, all this year up to 43, 44. But for now, this is a downtrend. I mean, 1 day chart. Let me see 1 day chart. 1 day chart. Yep. This is a potential reversal, yes, but not yet. We need to see the confirmation here, and after that you see this area testing here and bouncing here. Yes, you can say it's a reversal, potential reversal, okay, but not yet. I don't have any confirmation for saying something like this for now. Let me see here, 5 day chart. We have bear there, where we have bear divergences here in curve here. So from this point and this point, so yep, if 34 breaks, you will see for retrace to 32, and you will see invalidation. Okay, so just be careful, because this is Bitcoin is doing something like, for first time, I mean, all the history of Bitcoin I never seen. I mean, it's the two things like for me is very concerning. First of all is because in MA200 is around here, this area. People are looking for this area, even me, of course. Maybe I would see a significant bounce here, but the problem is right now people are looking for this area as the potential bottom, and that is a problem, because now the majority of the people, they are looking for this level. In 2017-18, you didn't see, you watch the videos on YouTube or social media, they even didn't know about this, right? The moving average in weekly chart here. Let me show you here, this one. They didn't know about this, but now I can see many videos, many people, they are talking about this right now. So that is my concern. When you see the majority of the people, they are looking for the same thing, usually the opposite will happen. So yes, I'm expecting Bitcoin is gonna test here. Yes, technically speaking, this is the bottom for me. Maybe yes, but in my personal opinion, my 2 cents, I said yesterday, no, I don't think so. I think this is not the bottom, because there is no volume here. The biggest difference with this price action right now here and here is because Bitcoin, when Bitcoin tested this area and this area in 2018 and 19, is because we were in the biggest area of volume accumulation phase for Bitcoin. Here, tell me, where is the volume? There is no volume. So if Bitcoin comes here from this area and test this area, you will see a bounce, potentially yes, but I'm expecting, honestly, continuation to the downside, and you will see this area tested. And that is the first thing. That is the most interesting thing here, because if Bitcoin breaks $20,000, it's gonna do something like the Moon Boys said that will never happen. What they said Bitcoin never broke the previous high. You see, here never, here never. They will say it, right? The problem with this is 10 years of price action is this asset is too young. If you really want to do a proper technical analysis, you need to wait after 10 years, and after 20 years of price action, you can say it. But just because 2 times you saw it, Bitcoin was not breaking the previous high, tell me, what is telling you why you are thinking this is not going to happen right now. One of the reasons why I'm thinking this could be a very, very actually potential scenario is because, well, tell me how many people on YouTube or social media they are telling you there are some nasty bear divergences in monthly chart. I didn't see. So that's why I am just defensive, just waiting for the right moment. Okay, the right moment. Okay, so let's see a recap for Bitcoin, because I think the market is the same as yesterday. So let's finish this live stream and I'm gonna just the recap. First of all, here, same as yesterday, Bitcoin is in area of supply, area of demand, right? So Bitcoin is just in sideways here, and one day chart, the speculation is a bounce, right? So if by this Friday you don't see the bounce, well, you will see the sell signal for Bitcoin in one day chart will be fire maybe in Monday, next Monday, and you will see continuation to the downside. So if you see the continuation to the downside, the targets are very easy to see right now. The next target, if Bitcoin breaks in one day chart this area, the next target I am looking for Bitcoin is around, let me see, yeah, between $20,000 $17,000 is gonna be the area. Other $10,000 break here, and maybe you will see event of capitulation. Okay, Monero, let me see. No, it's not. It's not doing this. It's something different. It's just a bounce. It's just a bounce. No, thank you. And this is like this. Okay. Testing the MA55. Testing the area of supply here. Well, okay. Here to the moon, right? No, my friend. This is a sell. Okay. And that's it. This is a sell, and after that, other pullback or continuation to the downside. Let me see the weekly chart. Let me tell you something. Monero is doing something different, yes, in weekly chart. This is sideways, of course, but we have a big problem with Monero right now. Look at this. We have a hidden bear divergence here from this point and this point, and also we have at least 3 months for this setup to reset. So eventually, I'm expecting it's just continuation to the downside. Okay. I said that many times in 2021, I was expecting 2022 will be very bad for the markets. Yeah. I am still thinking Bitcoin. This is very concerning. I mean, seriously, I've been trading for many years Bitcoin, and this is the first time I see Bitcoin doing this. Okay. So that's why I have some signals like this telling me we will see maybe MA55, MA200 in weekly chart breaking. Yeah. The reason is because we have 1 year of consolidation of Bitcoin dominance. That thing is super contracting in weekly chart. We are gonna see a massive move, in this case to the downside, because Bitcoin is trending to the downside right now, and also we don't have volume in this area. In this area, we don't have volume. Where is the MA200 in this box? Let me show you here the box. We don't have this. We don't have this. We don't have volume to support this area. So any close below $27,000 in weekly basis, you will see monthly 29, weekly chart 27. So you see Bitcoin next week closing below 29. Oh, sorry, next month 29, and even worse 27. Yeah, I mean, next target is this one. I am expecting this one is not gonna hold, and you will see $14,000. The problem with this setup, if that happen, is gonna be something like this, right? Very nasty, and this potentially this bounce you will see for $14,000 to maybe $30,000 around there. It could be the first warning, and we are entering in a monthly bear market. If that happens, of course. As a trader, I don't want to say something like this right now, because I respect the trend, and the trend is my friend, and the trend is to the upside right now. Okay. Yeah, of course. Ethereum less than $1,000, my friend. Yes, if I'm right with this technical analysis for Bitcoin, you will see Ethereum lower than that. Ethereum, let me see Ethereum. Look at this. The average crash for all the markets in a bear market, I mean a real bear market, is 90%. In a bear market in 2018, Ethereum crashed 94. So if we are in a bear market, I mean, I believe actually we are now halfway, I mean 60%. So 90% around there is around $600, $500, okay? So just keep it in mind, okay? Keep it in mind, okay? Okay, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is gonna be the last one because I think the market is doing the same as yesterday, just in sideways, looking for the next move, okay? Now you know my projections in 1 day chart and 4 hour chart, so I think that's it, okay? Tesla bad. I told you. I mean, I said long time ago, this is gonna break down. Now it's breaking down, and actually I'm very happy to see my yellow box, I mean, hit perfectly, very good, okay? Now Tesla to zero, right? No, it's not like that, okay? Yeah. Ronak, I did it for SP500. Maybe you can check again in the video, the live stream. You can play again the video. Here, this breakdown. Of course, we were waiting for this, yes, and now here, this is the area of demand. Okay, so this area short, no thank you. No. If you are thinking Tesla to zero, no thank you. This is an area of demand here, so sideways here and a potential bounce. Okay. Of course, if you see breaking down here very hard, maybe yes, but this is gonna be different. So as a trader, I will never short this area because this area is area of demand. Okay, so actually for me, I will start looking for longs instead of shorts right now. The index is positive here, so wait for the setup, right? You need to wait maybe for 10 days, and after that, yes, you can say, okay, maybe this is a good bounce. Of course, this is a downtrend, yes. The next bounce here is gonna be a short, yeah, because the trend is your friend, okay? And that's it. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. Thank you. Be patient, okay? The market now is in sideways, I know, but we need to be ready because, as I said before, I think if by Friday we don't see Bitcoin moving to the upside, we will see a very strong. I will have a very strong sell signal actually, or yeah, we can say like maybe next month it's gonna be very bad. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes